Mary owns a thriving restaurant with a line out the door. But what's happening to all the grease on the roof of her restaurant? Don't worry, Mary, you're not alone. Many people ignore this issue entirely, or they hire and assume the vent hood cleaning or HVAC company take care of this. Most of the time, they don't, making it only a matter of time until the EPA finds you. Looks like a good time to call DRIPLOC. We're not like other companies. We focus entirely on your rooftop grease containment and making sure that an issue never arises. In fact, we're the first company to establish a national turnkey service program. We do this by catching and containing the grease that's discharged from the exhaust fan on the roof, ensuring grease never hits the roof. Our containment system works by filtering the oil and water through absorption. For Mary, they assess the volume of oil she produces and then find a large enough system with enough oil absorbent to carry her between their quarterly service. That's right, every 3 months DRIPLOC is back to check up on the system. We inspect the roof, change the grease containment filters, and perform any needed maintenance. All this without ever interrupting your business, purchasing any equipment, signing long-term contracts, scheduling headaches, or equipment to constantly maintain. Keep your restaurant safe. Request a quote today. DRIPLOC,